What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the king of cricket, Virat Kohli. Let's begin today's drawing in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now you want to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top. We come all the way down towards the bottom of our circle and then bend that back up towards the top. Now you want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we start by lining up the top of that circle. We want to bring that down towards the same height and then back up. Let's add a small highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So we're going to bring this in and then back out and then line that up on the right. And then we'll fill the inside of the eyes in black, going around that highlight. Now from here, we're going to place the eyebrows above each eye. So starting on the outside on the left, we're going to bend this up and then down on the inside. Let's line that up on the right, going up above the eye and then down. Now on the inside, we're just going to bend this in and up towards the top of the eyebrow. And then we're going to give some thickness to the eyebrows. We're going to taper this so it gets narrower as we go out towards the side. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now from here, move to the center, step down and add a curve for the nose, starting on the left, bend this down, and then up. Now let's move up and draw a short curve going up and down across the bridge of the nose. Let's move down and draw in the mouth, starting over on the left, curve this down in the middle, and then back up. Step down, draw a shorter curve for the lower lip. Let's wrap the beard around the corners of the mouth, starting on the left, come down. Just want to tuck that in underneath the lip, leaving a little overlap on the ends. And now we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, let's step out. We're going to come down, round up the jaw, and just pull that in towards a point in the center of the chin. Go across towards the right, round up the jaw, and then go up along the side. Now I'm going to go back to the side of the nose and draw the top of the mustache. Bend this out and then down. Bend this out and down around the corner of the mouth. Now from here, it's going to bend this out and then up towards the side of the head. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the beard. From these 2 points, we want to draw in the ears. Let's start back on the left. We're going to bend the ear going up, come down the side, and then in. Let's add that fold across the top of the ear, bend this up and then out. Let's go back to the inside and add a hook, coming out and then in. Now from the side of the head, we're going to go straight up, bend this in around the eyebrow. We just want to work our way around the inside edge of the hairline. Let's go up, bend that in towards the top. Now from here, it's going to come in and then down towards the center point. So bend this up and then down. Now let's draw the top section of the hair. We're going to start from this point, bend this around, go up towards the top, and then across. I'm just going to curl that up toward the tip. bend this down, and then in. Let's add another layer. Stepping down, go around, and then in. And we'll do that one more time in towards the top right corner. Let's close off the side of the head, starting back on the left, bend this out, come down and in on top of the ear, and then line that up on the right side. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left, just underneath the head, bend this out, and then down towards the hip, line this up on the right, going out, and then down towards the same height. Let's close this off with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's add a V across the top, just underneath the chin. In the center of the body, we're going to step down and add a curve, going up and then down. And I want to leave a gap in between the legs. Go to the left side, bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, starting back on the left, coming down and up towards the toe. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and draw the top of the foot. I'm going to bend this up and curve this down, aiming towards the heel. I'll just curl it back up towards the inside of the leg. And we'll do the same thing on the right, going in the opposite direction. Let's add those large pads across the leg. We're going to start on the outside of the foot, angle this up and in to right about there. Do the same thing on the right, going up towards the same height. I'm going to round at the top, come towards the inside. And I want to leave a gap along the inside of the leg. I'm just going to angle this down on top of the foot. Now we're going to go back to the hips and close off the side of the leg, going out and then down in behind those pads. Let's add a strap on the inside, bending this up and in, step down and draw that again. And then we'll add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. We want to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Now we're going to add some more detail inside those pads. On the top left, angle this down and in, go up and out on the right, step down, draw that again. Let's add some vertical lines in behind, starting right in the middle, come down in behind, and down towards the foot. Let's separate this section with two more lines, coming down, continue across the bottom. And we'll do the same thing on the outside. Start with the inside, and then one more on the outside. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start with the arm on the left. Let's start underneath the chin, bend this down, and then out towards the wrist. And you're going to wrap the hand around the handle, going up and then down, round up the thumb, and then bend that back up. Let's add 3 fingers on the outside, starting from the side of the thumb, draw a half oval, going out and then in. On the bottom, add a second finger and tuck that up underneath the thumb, and we'll do that one more time. Let's draw the bottom of the handle going out in an angle. So underneath this bottom finger, draw 2 straight lines coming down, close out the bottom with a curve. On the inside of the handle, let's draw the palm, coming in and then up, step down, bend the arm coming in and up behind the side of the body. Now on the inside of the wrist, we're going to draw the edge of the glove with a curve, step in, draw that again. I'm going to leave a gap just above the top of the hand and draw a straight angle line across the bottom of the paddle. On the ends, draw 2 straight angle lines going all the way up towards the top. And we'll flatten this off. Now I want to continue these 2 lines in between the paddle and the hand. Let's go back and add the edge of the sleeve, starting from the inside of the arm, then it's up and then out. Now let's move over and draw the right arm coming down the side of the body. We're going to start by lining up the inside, going out and then down towards the thumb. Draw a large half circle with the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Let's wrap 3 fingers across the bottom, starting underneath the thumb, come down and up around that bracket. Along the side, add the second finger, and then the third finger, we're going to go out, bring this in underneath the head. Now from the top of the thumb, we're going to step up, draw the edge of the glove with a curve, step up and draw that again. Now from the inside of the arm, add one more curve for the sleeve. Now let's go back and add some detail to the uniform. We're going to add a stripe across the bottom of the sleeve. Just going to follow that same curve coming in. And then we'll add a stripe across the side of the pant from the hips. Let's separate the sleeves with an angled line going up and in. And we'll add some block letters that say India across the jersey. Let's start on the left side. And now we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Virat Kohli. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.